ilahleko yemisebenzi ingqina iindzingo ezijamelene noqoqosho lweli.
It shows really the kind of pressure that many consumers are under, and that is telling us something that is important about really the broader economy. And then, of course, you see the declines that you've seen in manufacturing. I think we should not be surprised, given some of the pressures. We know, of course, that interest rates have started to climb.
Ukuhluma koqoqosho kulindeke ukuba kwehle ngomyinge wesibini ekhulwini 2%, nokuzokwenza imeko ibe maxongo ngakumbi kwizithuba zemisebenzi.
Employment is a function of economic growth. And economy, yes, last year grew very strongly, and this year is expected to slow very sharply because of monetary policy tightening. We also have other factors that are weighing on the economy.
Udanyacimi wombane othe gqolo uswantsulisa eli lizwe uza kuba neziphumo ezirharha ukwencindi yekhala kumacandelo ohlukeneyo oqoqosho.